Hello friend, how to avoid bearing damage. A sporty and rough driving style leads to stress and early failure of wheel bearing. These elements are afraid of the shock that arises from water pressure. It gets on the car part and causes corrosion. To avoid moisture ingress, it's recommended to follow the instructions when installing bearing and the rules for washing wheels, so there should be no excess water. The recommended replacement of the rear wheel bearing should be carried out at the first signs of failure. Among other prerequisites for the failure of the spare part, it's worth highlighting the following: severe overheating with the handbrake on, overheating with the incorrectly balanced disc, constriction, etc. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.